Hey guys, so today I've decided to head back to the skate shop to get some toe plugs and a couple other things I may need. As usual, I'm rushing. I just had to do a quick return. So today's gonna be more of a vlog style. I hope you guys enjoy it. For me, it's a little treat because I've always wanted to vlog, and now I'm doing my first vlog. So yeah, I'm rushing because the store closes at 5 and it's currently 3:20, and it takes about an hour to get there if I'm not mistaken. Oh shoot, I should have put in my GPS. Oh crap, I'm gonna have to do that at the next light. I'm gonna finish talking to you guys and I'm gonna put the address into Waze. But yeah, I will talk with you guys in a bit. Check back in. I just put the address in. Sorry if the angle's a little off. Kind of have you guys pop in an odd kind of way. As you guys know, I don't have well, you may not know, but I don't have all the equipment, all the fancy equipment. So I kind of had to get creative with the phone holder and the screen on my dashboard. But anyway, I'm gonna be heading over to the skate shop. So hopefully we'll be there by 4:30, just before the store closes. And yeah, that's a beautiful day today. So I'm really happy about that. Sun is shining. It's warm for a September day. And I can't complain. So see you guys in a bit. I wanted to ask, what kind of music or podcast or whatever do you guys enjoy listening to when you're driving? Me personally, I love listening to Spotify. I don't really listen to mainstream radio anymore just because it's just a whole lot of negativity or topics that don't really interest me or stress me out. So I like to protect my peace a bit. You guys are probably wondering, what is she talking about all this? This is a roller skating channel. But anyway, since I'm taking you guys on a vlog, I'm just gonna chit chat for a bit. But yeah, I like to listen to podcasts on, I'd say, various topics, but they all kind of swirl around the same kind of concepts, more or less, self-improvement, self-betterment, mindset, and stuff like that. And so while I am driving there, I'm going to listen to that for a bit. Vlogging thing is not easy, especially when you don't have the right equipment. I'm just trying to play with the different angles. My phone holder, like the mini tripod thing, the jig I have keeps slipping around. So I'm just trying a different angle to see. I'm in a little bit of traffic right now, and I'm like 5 minutes into my drive, so this is not looking good. But according to Waze, I should get there at 3:52, which is less than an hour. So if I could actually get there in 22 minutes, that doesn't sound right. I hope Waze knows where I'm going. I'm going to have to check the address. But yeah. Can't complain. It's a beautiful day. Really nice and sunny out, like I mentioned. Really warm. So I feel really blessed. And I'm happy I'm bringing you guys with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Holy crap, that was close. I nearly got a ticket because I was on my phone trying to figure out this address, and the police passed right by me, and she like looked into my car like she kind of suspected I was looking down at my phone. I just kind of dropped the phone. I was like, that was too close. Anyway, yeah, so I don't know what happened when I entered the information into Waze, but 3:52 or whatever, 22 minutes, it was telling me my hand must have hit something and it got directed to something else. I don't know. But yeah, as I suspected, it's gonna be more like an hour. I'm not gonna get there till 4:30. So it's gonna be a rush. I'm gonna have to like park my car, power walk to the shop, pick up what I gotta pick up, and bounce. So I have to be on a mission. Go straight to the counter, get what I need, pay for it, and out. I mean, I'll have maybe 20 minutes by the time like I park and get there, but like I don't want to annoy them and be that person that shows up like 5 minutes before the store closes and then takes 10 minutes to leave. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna put you guys down because that close call with the police scared the crap out of me. All right, so I'm doing pretty good on time. It's 4 o'clock. It's showing that I'm gonna get there in about 20 minutes. So I'm almost there. Gonna be there in about 10 minutes or so. All right, so I've made it. Just parked. So it's 4:21. Gonna head over there and get my stuff. I like to park a little far because I like to walk. I don't like parking directly in front of places. I mean, at work, I sit all day, so any chance I get to walk, I take it. You said this is the toe. What's the technical term for this again?
Like the toe cap. Oh, because
toe cap?
earlier you said that's the jam plug.
So this is the jam plug. I've been calling them toe plugs for the longest time. And then this is the toe guard.
Yeah, like toe guard, skate guard.
Skate guard. So I think I'm gonna get the teal. I wanted black, but they don't have black. They have yellow, but I'm not sure. This way. Yeah, I like yellow, but I don't know. I wanted a more streamlined kind of matching. I know the teal doesn't really match, but I like teal, so yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the teal. But I wanted basically one of these in black, so I'll have to upgrade to that because right now my skate is kind of getting busted right along the seam, and I noticed there's like a little thing somewhere, so it really needs to be protected. So I think I'll do that for now. I can always get another one later. And from what I was told, this is good for dancing because it won't grip, it will slide, and as you can see, it's significantly smaller. So I won't get dust and stuff up in there, but it'll still protect the skate. And then from what I understand, this one, because of the material, it might be a lower profile, but it's a bit more grippy. So if I want to do moves that require sliding around, this one is what she's saying was better to use. So yeah, and then they have like a whole bunch of other things around here, stoppers and extra wheels, all of the protective gear. These are, oh my gosh, leashes if you want to put your skates like over your shoulder and just carry them a little bit easier. They have all kinds of colorful laces. I eventually probably want to get a metallic one. Metallic. And the laces are how much again?
8 and 11.
I wanted to get some, well, I didn't mention it, but I was thinking of getting some wheels so that way I have like a better material to dance on, because the ones that I have, they're more outdoor wheels, so they're a little grippy. So the salesperson is actually going to explain how to pick a wheel that's perfect for dancing. Plus the Moxies, apparently there's this that I didn't know to take into consideration that's kind of low. So she was saying that like smaller in diameter wheels are better, but because I have this, it'll probably drag, so I can't get smaller wheels. But if you have skates that don't have the trucks going all the way down, then it's better to get smaller wheels. So she'll explain everything.